What's up, everybody? It's Alex, and we've got week 7 of earnings reports for options traders, and I've got a very sad message to the cherry pickers on the channel. You're going to blow your account this week, okay? This is a very hard week of earnings, although it appears very, very stacked, right? You've got Zoom, CRM, Okta, Snow, DocuSign, Ulta. I mean, the list goes on. They're amazing earnings, high DTR plays, okay? But if you think you can cruise on by watching our statistical probability videos, you're gonna get fucked, okay? Because what you'll realize is, and what I've realized after going through some of the statistical research for some of these, such as Zoom, such as CRM, you'll notice Zoom has only about a 66% bias to one side. CRM has about almost split down the middle, about 50% towards one side. Okay, Okta has a higher percent to one side, but anyways, the point I'm trying to get at is that these are not crazy high probability, earnings releases like we typically get, such as Amazon, such as Netflix, right? And so if you don't truly know what you're doing, you will get fucked. Like I said, it's not, probability is not on your side. What needs to be on your side is the skill, the actual knowledge to react, to take these trades on a, timely fashion, correctly, okay, without fucking yourself over. Okay, so trust me, you've got a little time on the weekend. If you want to learn how to do this, how to identify charts, how to identify the trades, when to get in, when to get out, how to trade these in the most profitable way, guys. We made the course for you, for all the people who asked for a chart reading course, and it's down below. You can take it now before the price is raised, guys. Okay, so we've already got a few people who've taken it, and basically they got it at a discounted price at $700. Okay, but we added a very, very valuable chapter in there, which basically gives you a formulaic way of identifying trades. That way, anybody can do it. It's like a math problem. Okay, you add 1, 2, 3, 4 together, boom, you've got your winning trade. Okay, and so that's extremely valuable. It's a process that nobody teaches, and for that reason, the price will be raised after today. So guys, if you've been on the fence, like I said, there's 3 types of people in this world. One guy who sits on his ass, complains, never does anything. Second, the guy who's in the middle, not sure, should I? Or maybe I should wait and see how other people do. And then the third guy who takes action, grabs his balls, and gets it done, guys, okay? And so, basically, the people have already got the course, basically just made themselves $200, because we're raising the price $200 on the course tomorrow, okay? So it's basically your last chance until the course is raised, okay? Because it's that fucking good. I've got everybody telling me, holy shit, Alex, I had no idea how to do any of this stuff. And now I'm so confident going into this week. And that's exactly what I wanted to hear. That was the whole fucking goal of that course, to make sure you guys can do it yourself, all right? And so I'm super excited for the people who have taken action. And they're basically getting rewarded because they got it at a much cheaper price than what it will be soon. Okay, so like I said, for the cherry pickers, you're gonna get fucked this week. And so I'd rather you spend some money on your education than go and blow it all trying to trade this thing thinking you know what you're doing, okay? The truth is, like I said, traders who have skill, who have knowledge will be rewarded, and those who try to cherry pick will get fucked this week. Okay, so look, going into this week, we've we called Zoom calls yesterday on Friday. Okay, it was in the comment section below. In our YouTube, we said Zoom probably going to run up into earnings. All right, that was an extra play I snuck in there. So if you're not looking at the comments, you're truly missing out. Okay, we don't put 100% of the time winning trades there during the day. I leave the trades that I put up that are wrong. Such as the other day, I said Tesla puts in the comments. It was completely fucking wrong. I mean, look at that shit, right? So, I'm not perfect, but I want to be transparent. I want to leave my losing trades up there in the comments. I'm not going to delete them or anything, right? So, that's your chance to catch me off guard and really, call me out if I'm wrong, right? Once again, if you call me out for being wrong on Tesla, I won't be mad, right? I mean, like I said, I'm not perfect and I will get trades wrong, right? But it's all about having that transparency and really showing you guys, I mean, you can do this and you're not going to be perfect, okay? But it's all about understanding why and when and how you're doing things that will make sure you become profitable over a period of time. Okay, so I have no doubt some of the guys that have taken the course are really going to see their accounts skyrocket this week in a good and executed, in a very professional manner this week. Okay, so it's going to be a great week for us all around. We're going to start to see a lot of the success translate to some of the people who have really gotten serious about this, and that's exactly what I want here. Okay, so going into this week as well, I want to review some of the trades from last week that we had on Friday. Now, guys, we called snow calls, okay? So this is what I don't get with people, complain about money or something. We called snow calls. One contract here near the open, let me show you this, was worth $3. The 320 strike contract was worth $3. Right here, I entered here. It was basically $3 for the 320 strike. Okay, they got up to here. They were worth 21 bucks. Okay, holy shit, 21 bucks, guys. Okay, and so when people want to complain, like, guys, do you listen to the channel at all? Do you take any of the trades here? Okay, we literally gave you a 7x trade here on Friday, and anybody couldn't take advantage of. This 7x trade was made possible within less than 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, you could have been making 700%, yet you still got people complaining here. Okay, so that's one incredible trade we had. A second trade we had, Amazon puts. Did I not nail this one to a T, guys? I said, hey, short it near the open. Okay, when it falls, okay, understand that this is not a stock that's going to probably drop hard, and so it would actually probably recover. Go back, watch the video. It was on point, okay? That's exactly what it does. I said, as soon as you're making some money, secure some damn profits, okay? And you see that works out very well, especially with Friday options. So, yes, it actually does end up lower, but theta actually crushes you. So whereas these contracts we got them for $5, they were selling for $7 down here. Okay, so not a crazy return, but nonetheless we did nail it. And so Amazon just had a very low DTR day here. Okay, but anyways, Amazon 20 points down, 30 points down, only making about $2 a contract on that. Okay, so if you hold those in expectation for Amazon to go lower, they're worth $1 here. Okay, so you get absolutely fucked by theta, and that's exactly why I said specifically in that video, once you're making money, cash out, and that obviously worked very well. So absolutely spot on last Friday. We had some very, very good trades, and obviously, there's people who are going to take advantage of it, and then there's people who are, really just going to keep fucking themselves over by not taking the course. So, once again, I'm very happy for all the people who have really taken action, and I'm just so happy to hear that everyone loves it and it has so much more confidence going into this week, because once again, that's the goal with it, okay, to help you. So when I take days off, if I take a month off, you guys can do this shit on your own, and I think I'm definitely, basically achieving that mini goal, which is one of the goals into getting the 100 Traders Club here eventually. So guys, I just wanted to go over the earnings table here briefly. Obviously, we're looking forward to all these, but once again, if you're just going to try to cherry pick, you're going to get fucked this week. So I wanted to get that out there to the cherry pickers and make sure they know that. And I want you to know that, I warned you in advance, okay? So when you blow your account, I don't want to hear, Alex, you were right. I should have spent $700 on the course, and now it's $900. Alex, you were... Exactly, okay? So I don't want to hear that by the end of the week. As a matter of fact, just go ahead and unsubscribe if that happens. Or, you can leave the comment because that'll be pretty funny to see that. Anyways, that is the plan for the week, guys. Pretty good, decent week last week. It was a little wishy-washy on some of these trades, such as like Starbucks that was an annoying trade, okay? But besides that, most of the trades are pretty damn good. And then last trade I actually want to get into, very last trade, guys. I'm sorry about this. I thought I was going to wrap it up here. BABA still in this demand zone here. Okay, so it's a great long play starting next week, I believe. Okay, so we'll see where that opens up here. Basically, you'll see it's pulling back, and so just barely any sellers coming in. So our bullish continuation, basically this was our swing play from the beginning of last week. It remains going into this week. So 280 strike calls might be really nice because BABA can easily surge higher to 290 by the end of the week, which will put $10 in intrinsic value on your contracts at the very least. Okay, so let's just see what BABA is going for right now. Probably like what, $4 or $5 for close to the money. Yeah, about $5. No, $4. Okay, so you can easily make 2.5x as long as we shoot up to 290 by the end of the week. But obviously, you can wait. Obviously, execution will really determine your profitability here. But this is what I was talking about in the comments when I was talking about the demand zone. And then obviously, Facebook, we nailed. These were 300% on Friday. Okay, so when I said buy calls on Facebook, look at this. You're going to have idiots here buying calls at the open or something. And look at that. If you try to buy calls here on a Friday, you are so fucked. Like, holy shit. Okay, so when we say buy calls, you're just completely blind. But basically, we dip into this buy zone here. And so as we dip into buy zone, boom, back up. And this is all taught in the course, by the way, on exactly how to do this. And it really changes the way you trade, okay? It's going to help you get high probability, high win rate entries instead of just buying calls when someone says buy calls, right? It's all about knowing where to buy calls, when to buy calls, and how you're buying them, right? Why, okay? So that was an incredible trade. Basically, as soon as we dipped in the zone, we shoot up 6 points. Those contracts were, I sold out at 300%. They were actually 400% here, okay? Nonetheless, this trade really was only about an hour long, and we made 300%. So it was a great trade on that as well. Okay, so very successful week last week. Obviously, a lot of it comes down to execution. For example, like I said, if you're someone on the channel who's heard me call Facebook calls, you try to buy Facebook calls at the open, you got completely fucked, okay? And so that's exactly why you got to know what you're doing. With that being said, guys, don't waste time. Just do it. You will not regret it, and it's going to help you, okay? Trust me, you got to invest in your education, or you're going to continue to be a bum in the trading market. Okay, anyways, guys, I know it's a little aggressive, but, I mean, it's true. Okay, nobody else is going to be this honest with you. I've been real from the start, and I'll continue to be as real as I am. Okay, I'm not here to sugarcoat like Ricky Gutierrez or anybody and say, oh, no. No, I'm here to be direct. I'm here to be real with you. And, well, that's exactly what we've got going into this week. So with that being said, drop a like if you haven't. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. If you want to be on our email list where we literally send you the, the weekly trading plan or the earnings tables in advance, make sure you click the link below for that. And with that being said, we'll see you guys going into this week. Make sure you're studying up, getting ready, okay, because it will be a hard week, but we will take advantage. All right, so let's see you guys on the next video. Have a great rest of your weekend. Goodbye, guys.